Hello everyone, Samin here. In this video, we will be making our own Talking Tom app in MIT App Inventor. The process is very simple. Also, we will be adding some extra features in this app or game. Before starting, the links of all the elements used in this video are provided in the description below. Okay, so now let's watch how the app is gonna work after we make it. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Hey there.
Hey there.
Dance. Stop. Eat chips. Stop. Relax. Starting the build process, firstly we will start a new project and name the app. I will be naming this ZIGGY instead of Talking Tom directly because it's going to be my own app with a mixture of Talking Tom's features. You can name your app anything you wish. Okay, so the project is started now. We will first decorate our app. It's completely your wish how you want your app to look, but you can follow my design. Step 1. Layout. At first we will drag and drop a vertical arrangement in the phone screen from the layout section. Then we need to set the vertical arrangement's height and width to fill parent so that it covers the whole screen. Then you can set the color of this layout. In my case, I will give it a color containing the mixture of blue and purple. After that, we need to drag and drop the web viewer from the user interface section. We are using the web viewer because it will display our character or cat. After the web viewer, we will drag and drop a button under the vertical arrangement from the same section. The button will help us control the app. I will now click on the vertical arrangement and set the align horizontal option to center 3. What this will do is that it will align the button at the center of the screen to make it look nicer. Now, I will customize the button by setting its display text to Talk to ZIGGY. Background color to yellow and font size to 20. The decoration part is complete and now we will need to import and add some extensions to the app which are going to act as the path for our app to work. The extensions or non-visible components we will need are speech recognizer, text-to-speech, clock, player. Among these, text-to-speech, clock and player are available in MIT App Inventor by default. We just need to download the speech recognizer from an external website. For that, search in Google "speech recognizer extension" and click on the first result belonging to the website puravidaapps.com. Or simply you can click the link given in the description which will lead you directly to the website. Once you enter the link or the website, scroll down to the bottom and you will find two links, namely "speech recognizer AIX file" and "speech recognizer AIA file." Remember, extensions are always in AIX format, so click the AIX file link and download the extension. After the extension is downloaded, go to MIT App Inventor and click the extension section. Click Import Extension, then choose the downloaded speech recognizer extension. I will simply drag and drop it and click import. After a few seconds, the extension will appear in the extension section. Now to add it in your app, drag and drop it in the phone screen. Now we got the speech recognizer extension successfully in our app. It is time for the text-to-speech extension. Go to the media section. From there, drag and drop the text-to-speech extension in the screen. Gradually, go to sensors section. Drag and drop the clock extension. Finally, go to media section and drag and drop the player into the phone screen. So we have successfully added all the necessary extensions in our app. Let's move on to our next step. Starting in the block section, first we need to decide what our app should do when we open it. Before that, let me tell you, in this app I will be using some cat gifs or cat animations. Based on those gifs, we will code this thing. So first click on screen 1, drag and drop when screen 1 initialized to the work screen. Then click on web viewer, scroll down and find the block named set web viewer home URL to. Drag and drop that. Now we need to attach the URL or link of one of the cat gifs to this block. For that, we will need a blank text block. Go to the text section marked pink and drag and drop the blank text block from the top of the list. I will be using this cat gif as the main gif where it is just sitting quietly until we talk something or command it. So let's simply copy its link and paste it in the blank text box. As a reminder again, all the links of these elements, extensions and gifs are given in the description. Now we need to go back to the designer section once again. Click on the web viewer and paste the same link of the sitting cat in the home URL space by pressing Ctrl+V on the keyboard. Now we need to code the button so that we can give a command to the app through it. Click on the button 1 and get the block when button 1 is clicked to the screen. Now that we will command through our voice, it's the perfect time to use the speech recognizer extension which we had downloaded and added before. Click on Typhoon Speech Recognizer, drag and attach the Call Typhoon Speech Recognizer button with the button 1 block. Now open the speech recognizer section again and drag and drop the When Typhoon Speech Recognizer after getting text block. We needed to tell the app what it should do upon getting our command. We are now mainly building this app to repeat our sentences or repeat what we say like the Talking Tom app does. So to speak, it needs the text-to-speech function. Find the call text-to-speech to speak message block in the text-to-speech list and attach to the speech recognizer's block. Then click on the result variable and add the get result variable to the speak message block. Here, the result variable means the sound or speech we give to the speech recognizer as an input. Attaching it to the speak message block means the text to speech will repeat our speech. Now, we don't want the cat to sit down quietly like that while repeating our words. It looks weird. So I will want the app to display this GIF while talking. As we need to again control the web viewer cause it will display the GIF, we need to drag the set web viewer home URL to block and attach it in the current block. Then, same as before, we will attach a blank text block with it. Copy the link of the cat GIF I want to display while talking and paste it in the text box. Now, if we leave like this and run the app will work, but the talking GIF animation will start to run continuously once we give an input. To stop it once talking is over and to make the sitting cat GIF visible, we will need the help of the non-visible component named clock. Open the clock list, find the set clock one timer enable to block and attach it under the web viewer block. Then open the logic list and add the false statement to the clock block we have added just now. Now get the when text to speech after speaking block from the text to speech list to the screen. Then click on the clock block and press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to duplicate it. Drag and attach it to the text to speech after speaking block and change the false statement to true. Now click on clock 1 and get the when clock 1 timer block. Go to web viewer 1 list, drag and drop the set web viewer home URL to block in the clock block, bring a blank text box and paste the sitting cat gifs link in it by pressing Ctrl+V on the keyboard. This will turn off the clock while the cat will be speaking and turn it on when the speaking is over. When the clock will be turned on, the sitting cat's gif will be visible automatically, that is, after the cat stops talking. Now, this is the coding for the Talking Tom-like app where the cat will simply be repeating our speech. This was all for part 1. In the next part of this topic, we will code some extra features and actions that the cat will do, like dancing, eating and relaxing. Click the I button on the screen to watch part 2 of making of ZIGGY. If you face any problems while making this app, then please comment down below. You can also send message to my Instagram ID SHAH SAMIN YASAR regarding your queries. Also, if you like this video, then please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.